My video guide will provide you with help to remove the ransomware that is called Gcni. This is the ransomware type threat that currently attacks many Windows computers. The ransomware encrypts the files and then it adds a special extension to the files after they get successfully encrypted. The purpose of this particular ransomware is to force people into paying the ransom, supposedly for the file decryption. Well, before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without any troubles. But then pretty soon they may realize, especially after restarting their computers, that they can no longer open their data, and the ransomware has encrypted the files and added a special extension to the files. So obviously that's a very serious problem. Another problem is that, of course, the files may be still encrypted and people are not able to open them anymore. The special random extension has been added to the files. It's RWUW in my case, but in your case the extension may be different. The ransomware puts this message saying that all your files have been encrypted. This message is put into all the folders that have been modified, that contain the modified documentation. So you should not pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that you would get your files restored. Now, what we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures to remove this particular ransomware. We suggest that you go to the C drive or other system drive, program files, select Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser in this case. Then we recommend you to go to the website combocleaner.com, in order to download Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware that will help you to detect and delete this particular Gcni ransomware. Also, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your data, your files, from being damaged and encrypted in the future. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.